If your Westinghouse WSF6606X Dishwasher is showing error code H24, it usually points to a problem with water heating or temperature detection inside the machine. This can affect cleaning performance and may stop the cycle from completing properly. Many users assume it's a serious fault, but in most cases, it's caused by simple issues like a temporary glitch, improper water supply, or a minor internal problem. The good news is that you can often fix it at home with a few quick checks. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the H24 error step by step. Try these. 1. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it for a few minutes to reset the system. 2. Check that the water supply is on and the inlet hose is not blocked. 3. Run a short cycle to see if the heating function starts normally. 4. Inspect the filter and clean any debris that may affect performance. 5. Restart the dishwasher and monitor if the error code disappears.